Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where we are, hello, Sam here, unpacking, I think, the February's Artsnacks box. I don't know where I am these days. Does anybody know where they are? Just in life in general, that's all I'm asking. Because could you let me know? Anyway, let's have a look. Yep, it is the February one. We'll put that over there. We don't want to know, but we can see already. Okay, we have some Higgins acrylic drawing ink in burnt sienna. For some reason I think this bottle is really adorable. Why do I find this bottle so adorable? Onto the... almost missed the sweet. Almost missed the sweet. We've got a jaw buster in, I don't know, orange. But it's a jaw buster candy. Being, you know, sweet in England. It matches. Right, let's have a look. Let's see what we got. Present time. I do like that it's wrapped up. It does make me feel a bit special. Ooh, okay. What's so rubber? Yeah. This is a Coin Noir, very strangely shaped rubber. I'm sure there's some scientific reason. You could, I suppose, well, until you actually rub it down, you could get a really fine point with that. But eventually it will rub down, so I don't know if that's meant to be like that or it's just a really interesting shape. Okay, I found the sticker. That goes in my bullet journal. Yes, I have a bullet journal. And then we've got three things in here. That's heavy. Well, you know, it's heavy for a pencil. Maybe I should clarify that. It's not heavy, but it's heavier than your normal pencil. This is a Graphstone Caran d'Ache HB. I assume that's like all graphite. Experience pure graphite with the Caran d'Ache Graphstone pencil. I am looking forward to experiencing pure graphite. It's made from a solid piece of graphite, no wood casing. Ooh, this pencil is great for quick gesture drawing. It can be used like a regular pencil or broken up into chunks. No, I'm not breaking it. For a more expressive work. Sharpen it normally to achieve a super fine tip. So there's our incredibly heavy pencil. Then we have I love these things. Oh my god, I have like the full set and I use them in my bullet journal just to do little dots everywhere. It looks adorable. But this is a metallic one. Oh my god, I didn't know they did metallic one. This changes everything. So this is a Metallica clean colour dot in green. It has a huge thing on the end, so you can make itty dots or great big huge dots, and then so a bullet on the other end. So you have options with these things. I love these things. I've really figured out what I'm supposed to do with them, but I do love them. And we get a round Princeton Velvet Touch paintbrush in size 4. So this is what we've got. The Coin Noir thermoplastic eraser. It's all about control with the Coin Noir thermoplastic eraser. Comfortably hold this handy tool and erase with complete accuracy. Thanks to its ergonomic hexagonal shape, durable rubber material is gentle on paper and yeah, I've got weird glasses on right now. I can't see a thing. And comes in a variety of fun colours. Which one did I got plain? I got white. Why didn't I get a fun colour? I didn't get a fun colour. I don't care. I care. Okay, so this is what we got. Is there... I don't think there's... There isn't a prompt or anything. I keep forgetting. There's not a prompt for Artsnacks, so we can do whatever we want. And we've got burnt sienna, metallic green, graphite. There are colours, people. Right. What am I going to do with them? So I think first and foremost, we need to check this rubber. I think that's going to be our first thing. So, ooh, it does feel very floaty. Is that the right word? I don't know, but that's pretty as much light as I can do it. And then, I mean, it's what is it, HB? So it's HB. You're not going to get, you know, too much, but nice. Okay. I don't want to use this. It's like I don't want to wreck it. But okay, let's just whoop. Interesting. I mean, yeah, if you can do, you know, lots of clever things, can't you? With like drawing hair with graphite. and a rubber to give little hairs. Or you can go for it. Well, I've wrecked it already. I'm glad I didn't get a fun colour now. Anyway, yes, it is a pencil and it's a rubber. That is my expert opinion on that. Yeah, welcome to my channel. Okay, I've got to use this thing. I've got to use this thing. Look at it. Look at it. Look. Boop. 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 Awesome. And then you just get bullet nip. Oh, I should have done it that way. Then it looks like a comet. Is it shiny? It's still wet. So that shine is wetness. We'll come back to it and see if it's shiny. Then we have our acrylic ink. So that's water-based, so we can use water on that. Oh, it's a little pointer thing. Okay. I had to go and get some water, so it's kind of spread into this pretty little pattern. But there is our sienna. Wow. Yes, of course it's ink, so it dries incredibly quickly. I'm going to have to get some water to actually use it. But pretty. Still no idea what to do with these colours, though. I'm going to have to think about this, but has it dried? No, it's still wet. These things, they do take some time, but the smaller ones are dried. I mean, they're not like shiny, and I don't mind that. They've got a bit of a gleam to them. You can tell that there's something special about them dots. So I'm happy enough with that. I may look into these. I do like them. I no idea why. Just sometimes you get something and you think, oh, I like you. But anyway, right. What on earth are we going to do with dark green and burnt sienna? I've got some water finally, and let's see how light we can get these colours. Because I'm thinking, nice skin tone, so we could do a person. Or we could, like, we go a green alien in like a bomber jacket. I don't know why I'd want that, but I kind of do now I've said it. So, yeah, the thing I always assume when I start that ink is the same as watercolour, and essentially it is, but it dries almost immediately, which gives really nice effects if you just go for it and be a bit more free with everything, and you kind of want that look. But it's not watercolour, and that is something to remember, because there you go, and it's dry. Let's see if we can pick any of this green up. Let's give it a splodge. Oh, okay, yep. We've got something. Again, it's going to dry so quickly. But one little splodge, and there you go. I'm trying to record something, Dad. Go away. So my dad just walked past and decided that this is hilarious. I don't know if you can hear him on the recording, but he laughed. Anyway, I am essentially sitting in a room on my own talking to myself, so I suppose it is a bit weird, and I've no idea what I'm doing. I was just stalling until he went away. I love my dad. Anyway, I love my mum too. I know she watches this sometimes. Hi, Mum. Hi, I love you. Anyway, okay. I've made a mess, and I'm no clearer on what I want to do, but you can get, you can get a really yucky greeny brown if you put them together. And you're getting a bit of pilling you do in these ELO sketchbooks, I've noticed. But you can get some difference. I have no idea what I'm going to do. But you're about to see whatever it is that I do, and shall I apologise in advance? I don't know. But anyway, let's see what we do with them. So I've ended up with a very simple drawing. There's only 2 colours and only so many colours I could make of them, and I don't know if this is cheating using the microns. I don't think it is, but I used, I think, 3 different sizes because I got these in a palatable pack, and I'm really excited about getting the size 12 micron, so I'm using them. I think I'm using a size 12, 5 and 005 for the face. I think so, something like that. But yeah, I just decided as my prompt I would use the really bad joke They always put a really bad joke on the Artsnacks thing, and it's what happens when an artist has trouble finding inspiration. They draw a blank. Oh, how we laughed. So I have someone here drawing on a blank bit of paper. That's what I ended up doing, because we've got the green and we've got like the coppery colour. So we've got a person and a tree, basically. My weird trees that I draw with just like the arching branch kind of thing. I try to do different on this different depths of line. There you go. That's the words I'm looking for. I don't know if I did that hand very well in the end. Oh dear, very, very simply done, this one. Just to use the stuff. I wasn't really that into this box, to be honest. I like the Higgins ink, and I like my colour dot pen, but I just didn't see anything really. I like her little toes. I enjoy how I did her toes. But other than that, this is it's an alright box. It's a couple of things. The pencil, you can't really see the pencil. I rubbed it out, obviously, while doing the line work. But it's a pencil. I don't really see the difference that comes from using like a wood pencil and that. I don't know if it's heavier in your hand, so you certainly feel like you're doing something. I don't know, but it's a pencil. It's a very nice pencil, but it's a pencil. So anyway, for this I mixed the green. I basically put a bit of the green into a little dish, and a bit of the copper and a bit of water, and I did mix them up. The ELO sketchbook isn't the best for this because it is kind of doing that pilling, but we can forgive it. It's fine. It'll dry. It'll be fine. So I'd mixed the coppery brown with the green to make a bit more interest on the tree, make it a bit different, and just have different colours. And then I think I just use it. I didn't use the dot. I should have put dots around her. Like, oh my god, I'm going to do something quick at the end. But anyway, oh, dots. Why didn't I use the dots? Yeah, I coloured it over and it was a bit streaky, so I used the paintbrush again, which is again a very serviceable paintbrush. And then I used the green, just watered down even more for the t-shirt. Bit of shading. The hair, I like the hair sort of cascading over her face. And it meant I didn't have to do a face. But I'm going to do something quick. I am. I'm just going to do something quick. Just hang on. Okay, I'm back. It has dried, so the pilling a little bit there, but that's okay. Ignore that. Just ignore that. It's fine. But why didn't I use the dot? That's just silly. Right, we're going to do little fireflies. So are they green? I don't know. Few littler ones up there. Ooh, that one a bit funny. Sort of bigger as they're closer to her. Maybe they're kind of like interested in what she's doing. There we go. And then we just do little like, that was silly. I'm gonna, it's wet. I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna do that and it's going to be fine. But there's little wings on them. Is this silly? Plausible. Do I care? Not really. Oh, it looks like they're little ears. They're little ears, not wings, but it's fine. There we go. And these ones are just kind of, they're waiting to see what she's going to do. Just floating around there. Maybe these are sort of more, their wings are more pointed, like they're flying towards what she's doing. There you go. I used the dots. Anyway. Oh, I almost missed one. There you go. Yep, that'll do us. Okay, I've lost the lid. Anyway, that'll do. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. It would be absolutely awesome of you and would make my day like you wouldn't believe. But anyway, I will hopefully see you next time for whatever we get up to. Bye.